Students, good morning. 11th standard computer science students. So today I will teach you Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra means that is one of the mathematical. It is a discipline to the mathematical in the design in the logical circuit in a digital computer. It is a mathematical discipline. What is a discipline? Discipline means that is a one of the circuit. Circuit means what? Digital circuit. Digital circuit in the digital computer. Digital computer. That is meaning for discipline means the mathematical discipline means is nothing. Just you can using that is a each and everything. It is a circuit means if you current in means power, the light is bright. Power is not there means the light is off. Okay, that is a bright is not come. So that is a what is this discipline. So that like you can say for discipline in the mathematics in the digital circuit designing for the digital computer. So digital computer, if you give the input means the output what is this? The exact answers will come. So then only digital side. Okay, digital computers if you set. So digital computer, there is a discipline in the mathematics. Mathematics for the results will come. Okay, that is here the describe the Boolean algebra, that is here developed for one English mathematician. One English mathematician if you developed for the Boolean algebra, then only this name for Boolean, that is the person name, that is a George Boole. The George Boole only, that is a Boolean algebra, it is a developed. Okay, good. So this Boolean algebra, what and all is there means only two values only. For example, 0 or 1. 0 or 1. That is a Boolean algebra value for 0 or 1 only. That is a Boolean value. That is a only two values only here you can use it. So this binary value how to quantities means every day we have used the logical decision. Logical decision means nothing. Logical decision means what? That is the same correct decision. That is called to logical decision. For example, some examples you have our book is there. That is what does it means? See, should I carry computer science book every day? That is here you should carry the computer science book every day or not. So இது என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? Yes ன்னு சொல்ல முடியும், இல்லைன்னா என்னது? No சொல்ல முடியும். Okay, that is the two values only. That is here this is 1 or 0. Okay, so next question what does it means? 8 minus 10 is equal to 10. This answer is correct or not? That is correct or not? 8 minus 10 is equal to 10. Condition is what? So that value what is this? That is a wrong. Wrong means what? No. That is a value is 0. So next question what is this? That is a Chennai is capital city of India. Chennai is capital city of India. No. That is a no. Okay. That fourth question what? What did I say yesterday? What did I say yesterday? எஸ்டர்டே அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. அப்போ என்ன ஒரு சென்டென்ஸாக வருமா? அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் என்னது? கரெக்ட் சென்டென்ஸாக இருந்தால் எஸ், கரெக்ட் சென்டென்ஸாக இல்லைன்னா நோ. ஸோ எவ்ரி டே இன் அவர் லைஃப் தட் இஸ் a logical values only you can use. Then only developed for the Boolean algebra in the George Boole. Okay, see this value how to calculate means, just I will say, listen carefully. So that Boolean algebra, there are 3 questions above I will asking no. That is a yes or no. That last question only, what is it? One truth sentence. Truth sentence and logical sentence will come. Or what is this? That is what each and every question, the 3 question or 4 question, 3 questions true or false. That is yes or no. But 4th question, what is this? One logical function, logical reason, or what is this? True function, truth function. So one statement you can say. That truth statement, true means true value. That is a true or false, I will set. Already told this only. Okay, that is here. This Boolean algebra value, that is a Boolean value or binary value or logical value. So these and all is there. That is a value means what? 0, 1. This is 0, 1. That is a variable. That is a variable. Boolean variable or binary variable or logical variable. There are here 3 names is having. So that is a logical values. So this logical operations, the logical operations, there are 3. One is AND logical, AND operation, OR operation, next NOT operation. So AND operation means dot. Dot means what? Product. OR means what? Plus. That is a plus means what? Addition. That is a NOT means what? That is a inverse. That is a, what is this? That is a bar. That is a 1 means 0, 0 means 1. That is a bar. Okay, that is a value 1 means, then a negative value what? 0. So that is a bar. That value for, that is a logical operation. Logical NOT. Logical NOT. So this 3 operation I will teach you today. So listen carefully. So AND operator, that is a AND operation, that is what? Dot. So in the dot operation என்ன சொல்றது? 2 variable எடுத்துக்கலாம். 2 variables I will take. That is a, how many values is there? 2. 0, 0. A 0 வருந்தா B 0. Then A 0 வருந்தா B 1. Then A 1 இருந்தா B 0. இல்லைன்னா என்னது? 2 1 இருக்கும். That is a 2 inputs is having. 2 inputs is having dot operator. So dot operator means what? C is equal to A dot B. 0 dot 0 0. 0 dot 1 0 0. 1 dot 0 0. 1 dot in 1 dot 1 1. So that is a truth value. Truth value. This is a truth value. So here what does that means? Both value it is a true means, true input means, that is output also true. Otherwise any one value is a false, that is a output also false. That is called to AND operator. AND operation. Then OR operation what? That is the same one. A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is C is equal to A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. ஸோ இப்போ என்ன ஆகும், த லாஜிக்கல் ஆப்ரேஷன் வாட் வில் டூ, தட் இஸ் ஏ 2, 1 times will come, that is a 0. 1 time will come, that is a 0. That is a 0. That is here what will do, that is here 1 will come, the carry is 0. The carry is 0. That is a OR operator. OR operator. Sir, next not operator means what, sir? Not operator means is nothing, just after inverse. A value 0 means answer is, y is answer. Y is answer means 1. A is 1 means the answer is 0. That is a invert. That is a invert operation. The invert operation. This is called to operation for logical operations. Okay. The logical operations, that is a one thing is there. Just 2 operators. Again I will teach you. So listen carefully. That is what does it means? NAND operator. NAND operator. Sir, NAND operator means nothing, sir. Not operator and operator combine பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு NAND operator கிடைக்கும். அப்படின்னா இதனுடைய இது என்னன்னா, that is a and னுடைய invert. and னுடைய invert நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். and னுடைய invertனா that is a and operation is there, no? and operation உடைய opposite result கிடைக்கும். opposite result. so அது எப்படின்னு சொல்லி இப்ப பாப்போம். so listen carefully. so and operator உடைய result என்னது, a dot b னுடைய என்னது, that is a and operator. இதனுடைய inverse எப்படி, y is equal to a dot b. and operator will come. So first you can and operator you can find out. A, B and 2 inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is and operator means what? Dot. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Then 1 into 1, 1. So this is a and operator. The and operator invert for the NAND. Okay, NAND operator, what does it means? NAND operator, what does it means? That is a invert. Invert means what? That is a one bar is there, no? இங்க 0 இருந்தா இங்க 1. இங்க 1 இருந்தா இங்க 0. அவ்வளவுதான். இதனுடைய ரிசல்ட் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்க, and operator உடைய ரிசல்ட் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்க. சோ ரிசல்ட் எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? இங்க 0 அப்படினா இங்க 1. இங்க 0 அப்படினா இங்க 1. இங்க 0 அப்படினா 1. இங்க 1 அப்படினா இங்க 0. சோ and operator உடைய ஆப்போசிட் ரிசல்ட் அப்படியே வரும். அதுதான் NAND. அதுதான் NAND ஆபரேட்டர். சார் அப்படினா NOR ஆபரேட்டர் எப்படிங்க சார் வரும்? NOR ஆபரேட்டர். NOR operator nothing. Already told, no? NAND means not and. அப்படினா NOR means what? Not or. So இது ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்தது தான் என்னது? NOR operator. So அப்படினா என்ன ஆகும்? இப்போ NOR operator னுடைய ஆப்போசிட் அப்படியே OR operator னுடைய ஆப்போசிட் என்ன ஆகும்? அப்படியே NOR result. So இதனுடைய ஆப்போசிட் NOR result. NOR gate னுடைய operator னுடைய result. So இப்ப பார்க்கலாமா? A, so y is equal to a plus b. That is a NOR operator. How do you means? Just you can y is equal to a plus bar. A plus bar. That is called to NOR. So இப்ப பண்ணலாமா? A, b, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, sorry, 1, 0, 1, 1. So now answer see here. First OR gate. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 na 2 varum. 2 divide panna என்ன ஆகும்? 1 time remaining 0. So remaining 0 means என்னது? That is a carry. This is a 1 result. So இதனுடைய opposite என்ன ஆகும்? So இதனுடைய opposite NOR gate. NOR gate என்ன ஆகும்? இதனுடைய opposite na a plus bar. A plus bar na இங்க 0 இருந்தா இங்க 1. இங்க 1 இருந்தா 0 0 0. This is NOR gate. This is a NOR operator result. NOR operator truth table. Truth table. So this class, this only I will teach you. So next class, logic gate. That is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. How to symbol make it, each and everything. The next class I will teach you. Okay. Thank you, students.